Guys, we are here in the program Spoken English, and today we are intended to discuss this thing, an eye contact. What is an eye contact in communication? जब हम बोल रहे होते हैं तो फिर आई कांटेक्ट क्या होता है, इस चीज़ को हम इसमें बताने जा रहे हैं। तो आई कांटेक्ट होता है वो चीज़ कि ये तो पहली चीज़ है कि ये दिस इज़ वेरी वाइटल थिंग इन interpersonal communication skill, number 1, and number 2, it means that looking at someone while interaction is going on. तो आई कांटेक्ट का मतलब जब आप बातचीत कर रहे होते हैं तो उसकी तरफ देखना, और देखना ही नहीं, उसके आँख में आँख डाल करके देखना। तो बहुत लोग रहते हैं जैसे पब्लिक मीटिंग में हो या क्लास में हो, तो ये बड़ी एक साहस की चीज़ होती है और इसके फ़ायदे बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। इसके क्या क्या फ़ायदे होते हैं ये आपको बताएंगे। इससे कॉन्फिडेंस एंड सेटिस्फैक्शन, वी डेवलप कॉन्फिडेंस एंड सेटिस्फैक्शन when we talk to someone with this an eye contact. So we get a kind of satisfaction that yes, we have talked and that person has listened to me and understood and he has given feedback also. तो इसलिए ये confidence and self assurance that you have talked and that you have confidence and self assurance, honesty and sincerity. When you have eye contact, that means you are honest and sincere. And then interest and engagement. When you have eye contact, it means that you are able to make interest among them, or you have been able to engage them by your talk and speech. So, and then respect and attention. Attention is given. So when you have eye contact, the audience will give you respect. That certain people, a certain speaker is talking and he is talking for me and for our purpose. And then again, this is a emotional intelligence and empathy. Empathy means that you enter into the character of that audience and the type of audience is there. So just you enter in the character and feel for them. That is called empathy. So you have emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence means a complete control over your emotions, and then not to be affected by the ups and downs of the emotions of the others. So this is a profit. This is how communication is done, and what is the effect of this eye contact. And if you maintain appropriate eye contact conversation के दौरान में जो 70 to 80% is called 70 to 80%. Eye contact is there in a conversation, then you think that it's a proper eye contact is there. तो eye contact अगर है तो फिर you can build trust and respect. The people will have trust and respect for you. And the second is improve communication effectively. When you are just looking in the eyes of the audience, it means that you are able to control yourself and give effective communication. What you want to convey is you are conveying, and they are getting feedback. And then convey confidence and credibility. They are confident audiences, and you are also confident, and credibility also, that you have been able to convey something, and so you are actively listening. When you look into the eyes of someone and talking to them, it means that you just judge that the people are alert, attentive to listen to you. Whatever you say is going there. And then help, and the flow of conversation is going on. And conversation that the chain of conversation is continuing. And then excess eye contact is not allowed. Eye contact for the purpose of persuading something is important, and that is allowed. But if you look at someone and then have eye contact, giving more time, so that would be the foul. I say foul. So you are not going to do foul. That is a risky thing. That you are looking at someone. That is called staring. इसको घूरना कहते हैं. तो don't stare. Stare मतलब होता है घूरना. इसका टाइम ज़्यादा होता है, जबकि इसका टाइम कम होता है, और स्टेयरिंग का टाइम. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टेयरिंग यू हैव एन आई कंटेक्ट व्हाइल यू आर टॉकिंग, गिविंग स्पीच, एनीवेयर इन द क्लासरूम, in the hall, or before the audience. So this is all for today. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow with another such type, because we are having seminar on communication skills. That's all for today. Thank you so much.